Are you having problems with Visual Basic for Applications, vbe6, not locating the vbe6 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Don't let vbe6 Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the vbe6 Library, the core Visual Basic for Applications, VBA Execution Library v6.0. It manages the localized parsing and execution of macros within Microsoft Office 2007. Mandatory for localized enterprise spreadsheets that rely on legacy localized macro logic. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This issue indicates a problem within the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA version 6 installation. Reinstall the latest version of Visual Basic for Applications, VBA version 6, from the official site to restore vbe6 Library DLL safely. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the vbe6 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for vbe6 Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to vbe6 library and system efficiency. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing vbe6 library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.